Hello again. In this section, we'll be talking about the variable frequency drive, or the VFD, that's integrated into our product. As we described in the previous section, we have a VFD on the back of the motor, and the VFD is what provides the control over the motor. The VFD is comprised of three components: a control board, a rectifier, and an inverter. The control board is where you would land your I/O and communications. The rectifier is where the incoming power is wired into, and then the inverter switches that DC power to provide a PWM signal out of that inverter and into the motor. The key differentiators with our approach and our architecture is that the motor and the VFD are assembled, configured, and tested as a complete unit, reducing a lot of the field commissioning issues that are commonly experienced by separate VFD and motor installations. So this reduces those issues, but it also reduces the wiring and installation costs. You no longer need a separate electrical cabinet or that extra wiring between those two components. Finally, the VFD boards are field replaceable, as well as the complete VFD module can be field replaceable as well. A little deeper dive on the control board within the VFD. So this is again where we would land our I/O and communications. We have as a standard digital and analog I/O, or Modbus RS485, as well as an Ethernet port that you can connect your computer up to and program the D if needed. The benefit of this technology and our approach is that out of the box, the motor works with a 0 to 10 signal, and you can control it without any software, any configuration. However, if you want that configuration, or if you want that communication back to your controller or your PLC or your SCADA system, we have a very simple software package that allows you to make those changes within a couple minutes and be up and running. One of the key differentiators with our approach has been the overlay of sensors and analytics to help further drive the benefits of this integrated package. To start with, we've integrated vibration sensor, temperature sensors, as well as your standard voltage and current monitoring into this VFD. We then allow you to pull that information through any of the communication protocols we talked about before, as well as some optional modules that will soon be released that expand that offering in terms of BACnet and other protocols. We've also embedded sensors into the PCB stator. So for example, we have a RTD that allows you to measure and monitor the temperature of that motor at any time, and essentially allow you to get to predictive level analytics on what's happening within your application and predict a failure before it actually happens. Finally, as an option, we also offer an integrated IoT modem. This modem allows you to take all that data, all that telemetry information, and push that into the cloud. We have a cloud-based dashboard that you can visualize this information, or push this into your own platform where you can further analyze the information.